ಮಗುವೆ ನೀನು ಬಿಡು ಮತಗಳ ಜಗಳ, ಇದೇ ಕೆಲಸವು ಬಹಳ. ನನ್ನ ಒಲಿಸಲು ಮರುಳ, ಇರೋ ಮಾರ್ಗವು ಸರಳ, ನನ್ನ ಸೇರಲು ದಾರಿಯುನು.
Hi dear SSLC students, this is T.S. Valikar. I am an English teacher and I am working in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar High School, Amaravati. Today our SSLC students are going to discuss about poetry, prose and grammar section of the second language, English. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಈ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಶೋಧ ಮಡಿವಾಳ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ರಂಜಿತಾ ವಡ್ಡರ್. ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ, ಅಮರಾವತಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಮುನ್ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟ್. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
SSLC ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಂದು ಇದೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಈಗ ರಂಜಿತಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಯಶೋಧ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಠದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ರಂಜಿತಾ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀಯ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಠದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ.
Why did Swami say that there were scorpions behind the law books?
Swami said that there were scorpions behind the law books because he did not like to sleep in the office room. It was just a trick to escape from his father.
Very good.
How did Roma fall off the train?
Roma had squeezed herself in the crowded ladies compartment train. Suddenly she got pushed and she fell off the moving train.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಮ್ಮ. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಂತ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಸೊ ಆ ಪಾಠ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾರಾಯಣಪುರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಲ್ ಎವರ್ ಚೆರಿಶ್ಡ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬಂತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ ಬಂತು ಈಗ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆರಿ.
How did the doctor had a divine multi
specialty hospital treat Roma?
The medical director of the hospital saw under Roma's
Injuries
and
without any paperwork.
He admitted her to ICU.
Very good. Okay.
Why are Babu and Manju were disappointed with the way of marching?
The march will going some completely silent. There were no shots, no slogans. That's why Babu and Manju were disappointed with the way of marching.
What did Borak learn at the Geneva summit?
They learned that one who acted and thought that the way he did, he never felt alone in abroad.
And he also learned that where there is a science,
he also learned that where there is a science, there is a hope of man of survival.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪಾಠ ಬಂತು. Where did Don Anselmo live? What work did he do?
Don Anselmo lived in Rio and Medio. He was a farmer.
Very good. ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ, ನೀನು ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಪಾಠ ಬಂತು. Why did the superpowers meet in Geneva?
The 3 superpowers met in Geneva to discuss. The 3 superpowers want to come to an agreement to ban on nuclear weapon test.
They met in Geneva to discuss.
They met in Geneva to discuss about atomic some technical problems.
Very good.
Why did Smita her family come to Mumbai?
Because Anant was suffering from cancer, to give his treatment to come, they came.
Okay. To Mumbai. Yes. Okay. ಈಗ there is a girl by the tracks ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. Give the details about Roma Talreja.
Roma Talreja was become graduate from Pune. She was working as a call center executive. She loved her job and talking and connecting to customer, making new friends there. His brother was Dinesh Talreja and she was engaged with his fiance Vijay.
Okay. Why did Baleshwar visit the spot where Roma had fallen?
Because Roma's brother told that her cell phone and handbag were missing, so Baleshwar visited the spot.
Good.
Describe the old man's property.
The old man house was small, wretched but quaint. The orchard was narrow. The little creek ran through his land.
Okay.
Why do you think the Americans wanted to buy Don Anselmo's land?
The old man house was small, wretched but quaint. The little creek ran through his land. The orchard was narrowed. To lead a happy and peaceful life. That's why Americans wanted to buy Don Anselmo's land.
ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಹೆಸರಿನಿಂದ ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ?
They had skills in law and legislation. He had a vision of social justice.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡೋಣ. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ.
Ambedkar bought books by his curtailing his daily needs in New York. He bought 2,000 notebooks in London. He bought 32 box of books.
ಕೇಳೋಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. How do you say that Hanif was ekdam bindas?
Hanif was good at art and he sketched well. He read plenty of books and loved to play the drums.
Very good.
How do you say that Don Anselmo was genius?
Because he was madam for principal, he refused to take extra money for extra land.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಡಾನ್ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಮೋ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅದೇ ಬಂತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ ನಿಮಗೆ. Why did the Americans want to buy the Don Anselmo's land?
The old man house was wretched but quaint. The little creek ran through his land. The orchard was narrowed. So to lead happy and peaceful life, that's why Americans wanted to buy Don Anselmo's land.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಮೂರಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪಾಠದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇದು ಪಾಠ there is done by the hacking department extract. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop, but Baleshwar disagreed. Who is the girl here?
Roma Talreja.
Why did Baleshwar disagree to his suggestion?
Because Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away from that place.
Okay, good. What did Baleshwar do then? He took
He
her
took her
to
to
nearby.
nearby hospital.
We are lost. The captain shouted. Who cried like this?
Captain,
Right.
Why did he shout?
the ship was hit by storm.
How did his daughter's reaction?
God will save us.
Okay, congratulations were showed on Swami the next day. Who was congratulated?
Swami.
How was the speaker congratulated?
So classmates said looked him with respect. Teacher patted his back. The headmaster said that he was a true scout.
Okay. Good.
There is a girl by the tracks. Whose voice were those?
Baleshwar Mishra and co-passengers
Why was he there?
to save Roma's life.
Why was he there?
Why was
She there.
she there?
Because she fell off the main train.
Yes.
How was she rescued? Who came to help?
How was she rescued and who came to help? ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ
Alexia Mishra
came to
helper.
help to Roma. Okay. We have made a discovery. Who had made the discovery?
Americans.
What was the discovery?
Old man had a extra leg.
Yes, extra land. So more than the
Razor.
land. What was the result of discovery?
They give him extra money for extra leg.
Yes. They andre yarile?
Americans.
ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಆ ಪಾಠ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಗ
They belong to children of the village. Who is the speaker?
Don and Sultan.
What are they?
Trees.
Why did the speaker feel so?
Whenever a child was born, he canted it.
Discipline knows no words. Who said this to whom?
Columbus said to Francisco.
When did the speaker made this statement?
When Francisco was not ready to call Ulysses.
What does the statement mean?
One should not hesitate to enforce the discipline.
You can cross out much from the telephone book. Who said this?
Astronaut.
Where is he going
To space.
Why does he ask to cross out his name?
He had doubt about his return.
Cowards. You will have to kill me first. Who is the speaker?
Pepe.
Whom did the speaker call coward?
All Siemens.
All seamen. When did the speaker say these words?
When they tried to attack on Columbus.
Yes.
It is not a career for a bright boy. Who said this?
It is not a career for a bright boy. Who said this?
Satish's father.
What is it?
Crime and petty.
Why did the speaker feel so?
Because artist would lead a poor life.
ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ಸಮರಿ 3 marks ಸಮರಿ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ 2 ಹೇಳೋಣ.
And one jazz musician is standing like a black accent mariner. His face is so wrinkled and rough and shaven and full of worries. It shows his pain. His blue shirt is faded and dark and turned dark with sweat. His necktie is undone. He wore two shawls to fill paper to cover the holes.
Stands alone.
He stands alone, head on, eye closed and ear perked. He lifts his saxophone and starts playing music. He is no longer black man. He is a bird and flies higher and higher. He is preaching the gospel of jazz and spreading the message of God.
ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಹಾಡಿನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
Oh, say
What is that thing called life? Oh, say what is that thing called life? Which I must never enjoy. Which I must never enjoy. What are the blessings of the sight? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, deliver, poor blind boy. Oh, deliver, poor blind boy. You talk of wondrous things you see. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he? I feel him warm, but how can he? Or make it a day or night. Or make it a day or night. My day or night, myself I make. My day or night, myself I make. Whenever I sleep or wake. Whenever I sleep or wake. I could I ever keep awake. I could I ever keep awake. With me brother always stay. With me brother always stay. Oh, say what is that thing called life? Oh, say what is that thing called life?
Which I must never enjoy.
Very good.
Which I must never enjoy. What are the
Blessings
blessings
of the sight. What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, river, poor blind boy. Oh, tell river, poor blind boy. Okay, very good ಅಮ್ಮ. ಈಗ 4 months ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರಿ, ಈ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 3 months ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 4 months ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Grandma Clan Secretary is written by Ruskin Bond. Here the poet Ruskin Bond described about his grandmother as habit. He called her genius. When she was 6 years old, she learned how to climb a tree by her loving brother. In our old age, she used to climb trees. When she last climbed a tree, she was 62. People advised her to stop climbing trees, grow old gracefully. But she just laughed and said that old grew disgracefully. One day she climbed a tree and could not come down. She was extremely difficult. The doctor strictly advised her to take a rest for a week. When she felt stronger, she demanded her son to build a house on treetop. Her son immediately started the work and built a house on treetop. Finally, she moved up there and lived there happily.
Very good. ಸರಿ. ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ.
The Song of India is written by V.K. Gokak. The poet wants to sing about three Himalayas.
Three Himalayas.
Himalayas and three seas and golden rays of sun. But Mother India wants to sing about beggars and lepers. The poet wanted to sing about soldiers, temples, seers and prophets. The Mother India wishes him to sing about old, ignorant and helpless children. The poet wants to sing about dams, lakes and steel mills and shipbuilding yards and atomic age. But Mother India forced him to sing about struggle of past and present and also about class war. Finally, the poem ended with optimistic view. Motherland sitting on the waves incarnating the supreme power want to write a destiny of our nation.
Very good, super. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಸಾಕಾಗ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಕಪಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್.
Doesn't he?
Very good. She is drinking water.
Isn't she?
She is not singing.
Is she?
I was coming.
Wasn't he? Wasn't I?
I went to school.
Did I?
Very good.
I go to the market.
Doesn't I?
Okay. He writes a letter.
Doesn't he?
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಇದು ಸಾಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯ. ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್? ಓಕೆ, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಇದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಸಜೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಗ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Requesting.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಶಟ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಗ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Order.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್.
To ask.
She went to Bangalore to meet his friends.
To meet.
ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೊಡು.
I am going to market to
bring the some vegetables.
To bring.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಸಾಕೀಗ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್.
Would have.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಕುಲಕೃತಿ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಕರ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಹೇರ್, ನೋಸ್, ಇಯರ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
Here.
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೊಲೆಕಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು?
Man.
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ಈಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್. ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಇಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳೋಣ? ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳೋಣ? ಅದು ಇಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ಕೈ.
ದ ಸ್ಕೈ.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್.
ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅರ್ತ್.
ದ
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ದ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ದ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಜನತಾದಳ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ದ ಜನತಾದಳ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಾಮಾಯಣ.
ದ ರಾಮಾಯಣ.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗಂಗಾ ರಿವರ್.
ದ ಗಂಗಾ ರಿವರ್.
ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಿವರ್.
ದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಿವರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಅಬ್ರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ.
ಆನ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ.
ಗುಡ್. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಇದೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಅನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್.
ಗುಡ್. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಗೀತಾ ಸೇಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಗೀತಾ ಸೇಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್.
Geeta said that she was coming.
ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಳೋಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ writing my paper.
Rajesh said that he was writing his paper.
Okay.
Radha said, I went to town yesterday.
Radha said that
Simple past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
she had gone to town yesterday.
The day.
The day before.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಚರ್ಚೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶೋಧ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.